Hello everyone, welcome back again with me, Zarfan here. So today I'm going to create this looking like button, as you can see in the screen right now, using only Next.js, Tailwind CSS and firmware motion. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? Let's go. Alright guys, so first thing first, what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to download this file first before you do anything. So with this starter file, you can just switch the branch if you want to get the starter file, by the way. So after that, you can just start the codes immediately. Let's go. Alright, so first thing first, you want to go to this file first, this lifting button.tsx first. After that, what we going to do in this first step, we're going to create some state when the button is going to be hovered or not. So we're going to create some cons as usual and use the use state from React like that. After that, we're going to create the is hovered state. So it's hovered. With that, we're going to set the setter and then it's hovered, so like that. So for the initial state, I'm going to create with false value like that, and after that I'm going to create some hook that created by firmware motion, which is the use animate that I already imported earlier. So let's make that. So it's cons with scope and animate that came from the use animate hook from firmware motion, this one. Alright, so what I'm going to create now is some constant that have some value of the splitted words. So we're going to use that name. What is the name? It's character, which is character, right? So characters, because it's many. So probably label dot split and split it by string, which is nothing. Basically it's split it just where characters per character in the word. And then after that, I'm going to create state when it's hovered, not something like that, but when the mouse enter the link, or you can call button, whatever you want. So when it's entered, you want the animation started, and when the words will be goes up, and then when you're leaving, when your mouse is leaving, you want the words came down again. So we're going to create that. So we're going to create this on mouse enter constant enter. So we're going to create it become the arrow function, so like this, animate. So we're going to create some custom class name, so which is the letter for the name, the custom class name. So when the targeted component have this class name, the letter will be auto detected by this. And then we're going to set the y becomes 24 is enough, I guess. So the letter, the characters or words, what you want to say, it will goes up by 24 axis, y axis. So after that, I'm going to set it for the duration. So duration will be probably 0.5. Let's get with that, and we're going to add some delays here. So delay stagger like this. That the stagger came from motion also, by the way. So stagger set by 0.5 also. After that, we're going to call the setter, which is the set as hover becomes true, so true like that. And then after that, we're going to create another on mouse event, but this time it's on mouse lift like this. And then we're going to copy paste this one, but we're going to edit, by the way, we're going to edit it. So what I'm going to edit is this y-axis. So when the mouse lift, the letter will comes down again back to the 0 y-axis. And then for the duration, I'm going to make it same, and then also the stagger same as the mouse enter, but this one I'm going to set it becomes false. Alright, just like that, simple, right? So now I'm going to map all of the characters. So first thing first, what I'm going to create here, I'm going to create some reference here, which is the scope that came from the use animate here. And then I'm also going to add the on mouse event, so on mouse enter with the on mouse enter, and also on mouse lift, this one, and using on mouse lift. Alright, so next I'm going to map all of the characters here. So this should be goes with characters map, and it came with some letter, and also wait, I need to create some other this thing, letter and some index, this, and then I'm going to return some span here, span like this. Right, so I'm going to create some key here. So for the key, I'm going template literal, so it's the letter dash by index like this. And then I'm going to put the data letter with the letter like this. So this is the letter we're going to call, and then also the class name. So for the class name, we're going to use this customized letter class name. So we're going to use that here, so it can detect this specific components, which is the span components. And then let's add some additional styles here. Alright, so now don't forget to add the letter like this. And then for the last one, so we're going to add this underline beneath the letters, the text, whatever one you call. So for this one, because we're going to create two components in this loop, we need to create some fragment here, because this mapping, this loop can only returns one component, so no two component. So we're going to create some span also here. So I'm going to add some custom class name here. Alright, so after that I'm going to add some style here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transform. If it's hover, I want to create this scale X especially, so the underline will be grow, so it comes 1 here. And then if it's not hovered, I'm going to set the scale X. I'm going to set the scale X with 0, so scale X becomes 0, and then there we go, that should be it. Oh yeah, also I want to change this one because I think our page is going to be white, so let's change it into black instead. Alright, so I think that's all of it, so let's try run this. Oh, I think I just made some little mistake here. So in here I'm making this mistake, so sorry about that. So it should be negative. Oh, I forgot. So this delay should be 0.05 because if you set this into 0.5 it's going to be slow as hell, bro. If you want to see it, let me show you first. So what we've got with the 0.5 here, so when you hover this, everything works out, but the animation for it's kind of slow though. So it goes by character, every 0.5 seconds. So we don't want that because we want to make it much more faster than that. So let's get back into the code and edit this stagger. This delay becomes 0.05. Alright, that should be resolve the problem here. And then there we go. That's the animation. That's the lifting button. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me some subscribe, or you can give me some like. Even if you want to ask something, you can just go into the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye.